I saw your face in a big crowd, and now it's all I think about. I'd have some leads, but nothing found.
Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to see you all. Today, I'm sharing IKEA's trending new items. These items have just been launched and are currently available in store. So if you love any of these items, I suggest you act fast. Alright, let's get started. First, let's start with the collection everyone's talking about. It's not just for kids, it's playful, and adults can enjoy it too. There are about 28 items in total, and I'll start with these. This is a chair cover for the Manmut chair. It comes in two colors, blue and pink. It's fake fur, and it's made with 90% recycled polyester. And yeah, the big question is, can you wash it? Yes, you can. It's machine washable. Now, this is what I really wanted to see. This cat container, it's really big, so it has a lot of presents. I'd love to use it to hold remotes. It comes in two colors, orange and black. And this yellow light, it really stands out. It's a giraffe motif, and it's a portable light. It needs 2 AA batteries. Because it's portable, you can use it anywhere. You can turn it on and off manually, and it also turns off automatically after 15 minutes. This would be great as a bedside light. The switch feels nice, so even kids could enjoy using it. And this storage poof is also really fun. When you open it, you see these fangs, so it looks like a mimic, right? It makes tidying up feel more fun. If you rotate the feet, it becomes a standard design, so it feels like something you can use for a long time. And I also noticed this bear plush. The white and green ones are the smaller size, but the beige one is, believe it or not, 1 meter long, and it's about 85 centimeters wide, so it's seriously big. Apparently, you can machine wash it. I'm just wondering, does it dry easily? This floor cushion set comes as a set of 3. It could be perfect when friends come over, as extra floor cushions. The covers come off and you can machine wash them. The fabric had that bumpy texture, and it looked really nice. This blanket was also great. Just drape it on a sofa, and the colors look so good. It's 100% cotton, and it felt really nice. It also says it's 100% certified organic cotton. And this, what do you call it, a rocking bird? The design is really nice. I saw the number 18, and I was like, 18 years old? No, it means recommended for kids 18 months and up. There's also a kids balance board, and it looks simple and really refined. This one is recommended for ages 6 and up. The max load is 100 kilograms, and I also thought this table looked pretty good. You don't see many low tables like this, and the size feels just right. It looks like adults can use it as a bench too. And this time, I went to a reveal event for influencers. At IKEA in Japan, they said the strawberry fair starts next week, so I got to taste it too. The strawberry fair, you can't go wrong. I'll share what I bought from this collection in the next video. There was a room set using lots of spring new items, so let me show you. First, this is a cushion cover from a limited collection. It looks really good. The fabric is a bit bumpy, and it has a nice texture. Oh wow, this room is so adorable.
This one is set up as if a baby lives here, so there's a crib and a diaper changing station. And this dining corner, I love it. The tablecloth and placemats are from the Smurfisk collection. I'll show the tableware a bit later. The lampshade is also new, and it looks really nice. That smaller size feels perfect for a dining area. This corner was so good, I honestly stayed here for a long time. I love this tray with the handle. Most trays feel like you need 2 hands, but this one has a handle, so you can carry it with 1 hand. And on my favorite tray, this basket and mug combo, it was just perfect. This is a bread basket, and it was really lightweight. The color is bright, so it pairs well with white. And the mug, it's seriously good. It's sold as a 2-pack, 1 light green and 1 pink, and it's microwave safe and dishwasher safe. This season has so many great mugs.
So, let's slow down and keep going.
This round placemat is from the same collection. It's sold as a 2-pack. And of course, it's machine washable. And in the wall shelf display, this rattan frame looks really nice. This is also new. Even if you don't hang it, leaning it on a shelf like this looks good. The oval one comes with a stand too. And on the shelf display in the same room set, there's a portable light. The white shade part is made of glass. It looks more expensive than it actually is. And because it's portable, you could use it on the dining table too. This room uses gold as an accent, and it looks really polished.
Okay, now let's move on to new kitchen items.
And I'm saying kitchen items, but I'm starting with a vase. This vase has a pale blue tone, and it looks really pretty. It has that cinched shape, so it feels easy to arrange and display. Next, these paper napkins are from an Easter-themed collection. Flowers and rabbits, with a slightly classic vibe. They're really nice. Most paper napkins change by season, so if you like them, I recommend grabbing them. They don't go bad, so it's easy to stock up. And this rabbit pattern, you could even frame it and use it as decor. Now, the tableware displayed here is from a different collection. And I'll start with these smaller bowls. It's a set of 4, in 4 colors. The rim looks like a little frill, and that detail is so good. There are plates too, with the same 4-color combo, and these have color only on the rim. It makes you want to mix and match them as a set. Now, this is the tray corner. There's a spring rabbit tray, and it instantly feels seasonal. This size is really useful, perfect for tea time. Big trays can be annoying to store, so this is a nice middle size. Even with just 1 tray, you can bring in a strong spring vibe. Now, the mug corner. This season, there are so many mugs. It's honestly a lot. And this is the Furclar series mug, and it surprised me. I knew there was a pink one, so when I saw this, I seriously thought, did my eyesight get worse? Because I was expecting to see a pink mug, I thought this is the one. But right next to it, there was the actual pink one, and this was totally different. The one on the left is a lilac color. The rim has a subtle gradient, and the gradient shows up more clearly on the lilac one. I really didn't want to leave this mug, but like I keep saying, there are tons of mugs this season, so take a breath and check the mug corner slowly. I also own this green 2-pack mug, and it's perfect for soup. I use it all the time. At my local IKEA store, the mug corner was expanded a lot. They probably just couldn't fit everything anymore. Next is the decoration corner. The vase section was expanded too, so it felt like there was more to browse. And here, they have Easter-related hanging decorations. In Japan, Easter decor isn't super common, but IKEA brings out these kinds of items pretty much every year. This one looks like glass, doesn't it? But it's plastic. It's really light, so it seems easy to hang up or move around. It could also look nice just laid down on a tray as a centerpiece. I came back because I really wanted that limited collection candle holder I showed before. But it was sold out. Not even one left. That brown one was so nice and the glass was thin, so it looked really delicate. So I want to try again
and catch the next restock.
And those LED tea light candles. I got a lot of comments about them too, but they also seem to be selling out. IKEA new items sell out so fast, it's kind of crazy. So honestly, if you're unsure, it's often better to just get it. Next is the storage corner. The IKEA cabinet now comes in this pale lilac color. It looks really nice, especially in person. For IKEA, they sell wall mount attachments too, so you can hang it on the wall like this. They also sell legs, so you can place it on the floor too, depending on your setup. And in this pale lilac color, there's also a version with glass doors. This one is 35 centimeters deep. That's the standard IKEA depth, so you can combine pieces like this. There's also a 25 centimeter deep type. If you mount it on the wall, it can look cleaner and more streamlined. Quick note for this setup. The hanging rails, the doors, and the legs are sold separately. So please be careful not to forget anything. At IKEA, there's a classic storage box series called Kugis. They've had different colors, but it's often white. And recently, it's been white, beige, and gray. But now a really chic color came out. At first glance, this looks black, right? Like just normal black. But when I stood here and looked again, I was like, wait a second. It's not actually a flat black. It has this slight cool tone, almost like a hint of blue. And depending on the lighting, you notice it more. When the light hits it, that blue tone shows up a bit. So it feels more like a bluish black than true black. But if you're going for a sleek, more modern look, this new color is really nice. And with Kugis, you can buy the lid and the box separately. Now there's a newly updated room set, so let's look at it together. Now, there's a newly updated room set, so let's look at it together. It's a really refined kitchen and dining area. I'll check the kitchen storage later, but first, let's look at the utility room. This is a utility room made with IKEA's Meted kitchen. They're storing cleaning tools here. And the fun part is, you can open things up and actually see how they organized it. This unit pulls out like this. And there's a vacuum inside. It slides out smoothly, so even with a deep shelf, you can reach the back without digging around. And down here, they had laundry baskets. 2 baskets fit perfectly. 2 of them, exactly. And wow, there's an ironing board set up right here too. Room sets like this are built really well inside the storage, so opening each drawer is honestly the best part. They're using Uppdatera boxes here, so it feels very planned, not random. And this was interesting. It's a clip-style hook meant for holding glasses, but they clipped a hanger on it. I wouldn't think of that, but it totally works. These black feathers are also new, and displayed like this. They look surprisingly cool. Inside this drawer, they used what looks like a tray you'd normally use to divide kitchen cutlery, but instead they stored cleaning tools in it. That's a smart reuse. A utility room this spacious, it's the dream, right? And over here, inside the sink drawer, they stored cosmetics and hair accessories, all neatly separated. Okay, now let's go to the kitchen corner. Next is the kitchen corner. There's a utility cart next to the fridge, and they put a rice cooker on it. This is the Nissafor's utility cart, and that straight line design looks really sharp. They used Kugis boxes to build the storage, and honestly, it looked more stable than I expected. I have this cart at home too, so it made me think, oh, that's a good use for it. Under the sink, they stored spices, so everything stays easy to grab. And yeah, tray storage is always tricky, so this kind of setup really works. This looks like a coffee corner, and below it, they stored coffee and tea. And this white canister is a new item. And it seems really popular. I bought it too, and I use it for snacks. It looks clean, so I'm fine leaving it out even when it's full. And it also comes in a half-size version. I also noticed lights inside the storage all over this room set. I installed the one I showed in my last video inside my dish cabinet, and it made a big difference. And it turns off after 10 seconds, so it's effortless. I already bought another set, and I added it to a shelf in my entryway. That one is more for ambience, like a soft mood glow. It uses rechargeable batteries, and when you charge it, you pop the main unit out from the holder. I also want to test how long the battery lasts, and if it's good, I want these inside every shelf. Since it's almost the new life season, next time, I'll keep doing new item updates, but I also want to do an IKEA Best Buys Roundup, the 2026 edition. Like, if you're going to IKEA, please grab these.
Thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you again very soon in the next video.